have a couple hours to get in a little hike, so I wanted to go to a rather intense one. It's out here by the Delaware Water Gap. It's not on the AT. I'm taking the Mount Tammany Trail. It's a lot of rocks, a lot of stairs, so it'll be short and sweet. So get a little practice in for those 600 and some odd stairs at the beginning of the trail in 5 weeks. 5 weeks from today. This trail is pretty good. It's the rock is very challenging. You can see up behind me and down below where it came from, and we're just starting out, so it gives you a pretty good leg burn right off the bat before you have a chance to get warmed up. Feels good. Nobody out here today. Got the trail to myself. The parking lot was empty. It's amazing. The weather's decent. It's up around 42, I think, and the only problem is the wind. It's moving pretty good out here, but it's nice and quiet. That's the Delaware River. Route 80 down below, going through the water gap. Beautiful, beautiful afternoon. All to myself. And the trail goes up some more. I'm up Tammany Mountain. You go up that first climb that I showed you pictures from the top of before. Then you have this little flat section. And you get lulled into this thinking that, oh, that's probably it. And then you come up to this. It's hard to capture it on video, but it's a nice little hill coming up ahead. So I'll climb this one, and then I'll let you know if there's more to follow or if that will be up to the ridge. They said it was supposed to be about 1,500 and some odd feet, and it was down around 300 at the beginning, so about a 1,200 foot climb. I don't think I've done that much. I don't think this is going to make it 1,200 feet either, so we'll see what lies ahead. So fellas, does this look familiar? Remember these rocks? That's the trail. You were out here last summer and you enjoyed it so much. Love this. This is a nice trail. Last time I did it, I was just hiking with some people and I didn't have a backpack on. Today I weighed my pack before I headed out. It's got food and it's got water and it's got everything I need. And I was a little frustrated because it's at 37 pounds. So I'd like to get it down a couple. But I'm sure that'll happen with time. And to tell you the truth, it's very comfortable for me. I'm used to it. I was hiking with over 40 pounds for a while. So it feels good. The workout, training is paying off. So before I break my face, I'm going to tune out. Little flat section at the top of that climb. And then we go up there. Not quite to the top yet, but close. Delaware River, Route 80 is getting smaller and smaller. Gorgeous out here. Windy, windy, windy. And it feels like it's about 10 degrees colder up top. Looks like we might be getting to the end of the final big climb up here. I don't see much of a rise in front of me. Oh yeah, there's another nice little off in the distance. I'm sure you can't see it. When I get closer, I'll give you a shot. Okay, now I'm guessing this is probably the last climb. It's very small, almost to the top, and this was really very easy. Like I said, I was up here with no pack a while ago. I think it seemed harder back then. I guess just I've gotten used to it. I've logged a lot of miles since then. And this seems like nothing, which it should, because it is, in comparison to what I'll be hitting in the first few days on the trail. Multiple 4,000 foot climbs, I'm sure. Here it's only about 1,200, so this is like nothing. But it feels good. It feels easy, as it should. So it looks like I'm just about up to the top. There we are, nice view, nice view. Windy, windy, windy. Now I gotta find the next trail. the red trail, but now I'm going to pick up the blue trail, and according to the map that should take me down the other side of the hill back towards the green trail, towards the Appalachian, over in that direction, circle back around to the parking lot. So I got to make a little bit of time now because it was going a little slow going coming up the hill, so now I got to make some time so I can get back before dark. The wonderful thing is, when you got a pack on, you don't really have to worry. If you get stuck out here, you're ready for it. And I can even do night hiking because I do have my headlamp, so whatever happens, happens. It's great, good feeling. Snow-covered rocks on the way down, that makes it even more interesting. Well, it must be on the shady side of the mountain, but not too much, just a little bit. It's fun. Almost down, 3/4 of the way or more back. We got about a half mile or so left to the parking lot. Gorgeous day. Not as windy down here. The hills are blocking the wind, trees, and so it feels warmer. Just perfect. Can't wait for the next one. 5 weeks to go. Take care, people.